Hi everyone, if you see this error code on a Baxi E168 and put it into any search engine and it will say PCB. No, it's not. That's misleading. I won't say it's rubbish, but it's not quite the truth. Let me show you what I would do as a breakdown engineer. The E133 is just a general error code that just pops up and says something is wrong in the ignition system. This error code 168 is the electrical version of it. So it doesn't have to be the PCB. It could be a faulty pump or a connection or a fan, whatever. And that's all it is. So let's go through the bits and pieces and check in the correct sequence. As with every breakdown, we always do a polarity test first to see exactly what's going on with the electrics and most importantly the neutral to earth, the leakage. If you have 2 or more volts on the neutral to earth connection, then the homeowner has to call in an electrician who is Part P registered because only they are allowed to find the fault. Do not recommend anybody. All you have to do is stand back. Once it's fixed, come back. Check all the multi-plugs going to the gas valve or maybe the pump or the air pressure switch. Then we concentrate on the PCB. We're going to remove every single multi-plug in order so we can have a look underneath if there's any burnt tracking, any problems at all. If we do find it is the PCB, then we can send that to get reconditioned and we can use that to lend to the next customer whilst we order the latest version. Also check with the manufacturer that there's a new Mark II or Mark III that we can order. Let me ask you a question. Would you put a reconditioned PCB into your parents' boiler or a diverter valve or a fan or anything? I wouldn't dream of it, nor should you. Our fault finding yellow book is crammed from beginning to end with hints and tips and flowcharts to get you up and running and working smarter. Test everything that you need to do easily and professionally. Don't leave home without it. Our 8 apps are used over 4,000 times every single month, if not more. So they only cost just under £40. Work smarter, not harder. The F22 app is the one you want when you see error codes or breakdowns and lights. I've downloaded all the information from the manufacturer's websites, 17 altogether. You can phone from the app, email from the app, or text from the app. It's absolutely brilliant and a must. Don't leave home without it. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like me to make another manufacturer's top 5 faults, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. Take care and all the best.